Hello, good morning again, year 6. Okay, we have learned in our in the class about the factors and highest common factor, or factors and common factors. So I'm going to explain it again, and please watch because it's included in your exam, in your test. So you should know how to draw Venn diagram to show common factors and highest common factors of numbers and solve word problems. Now let's try this first. List down all the factors of 24 and 36. So remember, when you are listing down, as I told you last time, you have to start from 1 and find the pair or the factors to equal to 24. Okay, so let's start with the factors of 24. So 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6, 4 times 6. So what are the factors of 24? Uh, Remember to list down from smallest to the largest. So we have, what are the factors of 24 now? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Let's check also the factors of 36. So again, you have to start from 1. 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9. If you don't know how to find them, you can just use division. Okay? So to check. Now let's list down all the factors of 36. Okay, remember we have 6 times 6 here. You need to write only 6 once, only once. So what are the factors of 36? So if you could see, I have written only the 6 once. Okay, you cannot write 6, 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. So the next thing you have to do is find the common factors of 24 and 36. Circle it, compare from the factors of 24 and factors of 36, if they, what factors do they have in common. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Do we have more? Yes, 12. Then we have to write them. So what are the factors of 24 and 36? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Now, from the common factors of 24 and 36, you have to check which one is the highest common factor, or we call it HCF. So if you could see here, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And which one is the highest common? It is 12. Therefore, the HCF, or the highest common factor of 24 and 36, is 12. Remember, we have only one highest common factor because it is only one that is the highest among the common. Do you understand? Okay. So this time we are going to use, do you have any question? Later we are going to check again. So we have to use Venn diagram to show the relationship of the factors of 32 and 36. But what I want is, before I'm going to explain to you this one, let's write first, no, what I mean is we have to write first the factors of 32. Okay, so let's start writing 1 times 32, then 2 times 18. Okay, then do we have 3? No, we don't have 3. So 4 times 8. We will stop now because we don't have 5. We don't have 6. So let's stop. So now what are the factors of 32? It is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. Let's find the factors of 64. So factors of 64 are 1 times 64, 2 times 32. Do we have 3? So we don't have 3, but we have 4 times 16. So do we have 5? No, we don't have 5. So we have to move to 6 times. Do we have 6 times? So we don't have also 6. Okay, so we have 8 times 8. All right. Now let's list down all the factors of 64. Okay, factors. So what are the factors of 64? So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64. So now let's write it all. Remember, in here, in the middle, this called the common factor. What do they have in common? Remember, the overlap over here, where you are going to write the common factors of 32 and 64. Let's check. We have 1 here. Okay, we have 1. We have 2. We have 4. We have 8. I think we have 16 and 32, correct? So now let's put all this in the middle. 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So, and 32. So nothing left that is not common with 64, but we have not written 64. So this is, so what are the common factors of 32 and 64? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. Okay, and if it's not a factor of 32, actually 64 is also a factor of 32, but we have just completed it. So, oh no, it's not a factor, I mean. So the factors of 64 is already here, and the factors of 32 is already here, and their common is here. Now, from the common, what is the HCF, or the highest common factor of 32? So you look in the middle where they are in common. So 32 is the highest, therefore the highest common factor of of 32 and 64 is 32. All right? Okay. So these are the common, and the highest is 32. Okay. Now, can you try this one? Find the common factors and highest common factor of 16 and 24. First thing, you have to list down first all 16 and the factors of 16 and 24. Then you're going to draw your Venn diagram. Okay? Pause your video and you can do it. And check your answer later. Okay? Now, check your answers. So we can write it down first. Okay? Let's take our so let's write factors of, oh, this is very small. Okay. Factors of 16 are, so what do we do? 1 times 16, 2 times 8, 4 times 4. Okay. So the factors are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Now let's do factors of 24, right? So factors of 24 are 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. So what are the factors of 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. What is the next thing we are going to do? We are going to draw the Venn diagram. Okay, so let's draw our Venn diagram. And again, I will draw again my Venn diagram, my circle. I have to move it. Okay, so we'll write here factors of 16. Factors of 24. Okay, now, so let's check. I want this. Okay, let's check. So we have 1, 2, 4, and 8. So let's check. 1, 2, 4, and 8. Now we will write in the middle all the numbers, all the factors that we have ticked in both sides. So 1, I'll change the color into blue. 1, 2, 4, and 8. Now, which one is not written in the factors of 16? We are going to write over here. And what is not written in the factors of 24? 6, 12, and 24. Now we will check now what is the highest common factor of 16 and 24. Where you are going to look? You have to look in the middle where the numbers, the common factors have written. So this is 8. So which one is the highest among from 1, 2, 4, 8? Yes, very good. It is 8. Therefore, the highest common factor of 16 and 24 is 8. Okay? Do you have any more question? Let's just solve this problem. Mr. Muhammad had 56 pieces of hard drive, external hard drive, and 72 pieces of flash drive. He needs to distribute this to his customers evenly. What is the highest possible number of each drive that he can distribute? So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to find all the factors of 56 and 72. So let's write. So the factors of 56. So you know already how to find the factors of a number. So 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28, 56. And you have to write also the factors of 72, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36. Then find the common first. 1, okay? 1 and 1, 2, 2. There's no 4. There is 4. 7, no, there is 8. 14, 28, 56. That's it. So from the factors of 56, 72, from their common factors, which one is the highest? It's 8. So therefore, the highest common factor of 56, 72 is 8. Therefore, the highest possible number that he can distribute for each drive is 8 pieces. All right. So that's all for now. I hope you have understand the lesson about factors, how to list down the factors of a given number, how to find the common factors of pairs of numbers, as well as using the Venn diagram. If you are still confused, you can watch again this video again and again. Okay, year 6. So bye for now. Thanks for listening.